traders, the Euro Swissy has traded down into a big level here. This is a bullish order block on the daily time frame, and it's finding its feet at this level. Now what it's done here, it's traded down and taken out the lows below this candle here, over here on the left. See this level? Okay, so it's cleaned out these lows under here, and my question is, where is this going to be trading after well, today, and is it going to give us an opportunity? So what we'll do is we'll go down the time frames and have a look at price action, get a bit closer to it. Okay, we can see also this accumulation candle here on the 4 hour. Okay, so it's tapped into that, so we'll just mark that up as a 4H. We've got a higher low here, so I'm looking at a possible buy opportunity, not confirmed yet, but what I'd want to see for this to confirm a buy would be the break and retest of this range. Now there's a couple of things about this that are worth noting. See this candle, the low on the left, candle, the high on the right. Okay, so this is a bearish imbalance that could look to get filled. We also have this candle here, the low on the left, the high on the candle on the right, bearish imbalance, 4 hour time frame, that could look to get filled. So I'm always looking for two things really, well, three things. One is, where is there liquidity that's ripe for the picking? Where are they going to attack liquidity? Where is there an imbalance that the market would potentially trade back through to rebalance? And where is the path of least resistance? In my opinion, looking at this chart, I like this higher high here. The path of least resistance for me is in this direction, up into these levels here. Where is there liquidity? Well, this move here took out liquidity under here. That's been attacked, and currently we've got a lot of traders short with stop losses resting above here, and all through this price range from this high down. So this is right for the picking. In other words, pull back up into here would clean out any liquidity resting through these levels here. So in terms of attacking liquidity, that's where I think this is going to head. The path of least resistance, in my opinion, is this direction, and we have two imbalances that begging price to trade back through and look to rebalance. The balance area is up in this level through here. It could trade back up in there. There's a target. Target would be the base of this range low, and and then beyond. So, guys, that's my thought process with this at the moment. Now, can this turn around here and head south? Absolutely it can. So don't get too carried away with your lot sizes. And look, the way that I would be approaching this is this way. Let's just go down to a 30-minute time frame. If you want to play it safe, I like the fact that this is starting to trend up now. See how we have these highs here? Well, what I want to see is, and this is before I get involved with this, I'd want to see, in fact, let's just do this. We'll grab a range. We'll pull a range from these highs down, and we'll just pick up these lows here. Okay, so we have this range in here, and what I want to see would be however it works out, but this high gets taken out, retest and fail, and then that would be an entry point. Hope that makes sense, something like that. And my targets, we'll go out to a 1 hour, and my targets would be, well, let's do it this way. We'll throw a long position in. Let's just say that happens. Okay, stop loss under this low here, target 1. Simply look left, go for the lows under here, so that's T1, TP, that'll do. Second target would be in through here, that's target 2, TP, and we get a 1.74R out of that one. Let's just take it a little bit further. All right, finally, we're looking for the highs above here, so there's a target 3, and that gives us a 2.9. Let's just round it off at a 3R. There it is there, there's a 3R outcome. But what we need to see is this high broken, the retest and fail here. And that's the only way that I will get involved. Now, here's the thing with this. If this doesn't play out, then there's no trade, right? It's got to crack this level here, retest and fail here, and then I'm in. That's the criteria. Okay, guys, that's the Euro Swissy. I'd love to hear your thoughts, so comment, share your ideas, that would be awesome. Hope you have a great day, safe trading, and we'll see you in the next video.